Alright guys, we're hearing something weird out in the woods. It's like some kind of turbines are kicking in way up in the sky. Here it goes, here it goes.
But I don't see nothing.
I don't know guys, that's crazy. I don't know if you hear that, but something going on up there that we don't know about. It's so blue you can't really see too far up. Something's kicking up there. Okay, I know where we are.
We're gonna walk all the way down there.
Yeah, all the way down there to that building way in the background.
What building?
Okay, we're hearing this thing start up. Once it started, huge gusts of winds come by, and the thing keeps starting, and then it stops and it's quiet like this. It's coming from somewhere up here. There's a little plane right there up in the sky. You probably can't see it, but whatever this is, guys, we can't see it, and it's loud. This is pretty good. Oh, hold on, we're not going that way. I'm only kidding. This might be a good specimen rock to smash and check for gold, or not. Or watch your step.
These are the shoes I wore.
Well,
So my toes are cold on this.
yeah, very strange.
Maybe it's because I had those compression socks on too. But you know, they're helping my feet, you know?
Very strange noises in the sky. That's what I'm reporting on. I think it's just wind machines, like turbines. You can hear them kick in, but you can't see them. So there must be camouflage in blue sky color, and you can't see it in the sky. I don't see nothing. I'm looking up at the sun here, but whatever it is, it's got to be huge. It's huge, but we can't see it.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
Sounds like the windows of heaven are opening up and about to drop blessings on us all. How about that? Hallelujah. There's some wind. Residual winds now blowing. Maybe that thing will kick back on. I've been hearing that lately around the area.
Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
But this was the loudest I heard it. Just out here
I
walking.
wouldn't be surprised if they come out of hibernation.
Getting a good walk in today, guys. Some exercise. Checking it out. Oh, hold on. I just heard it again. Now look, the winds. Okay. There's something generating winds. And I think the wind machines are starting to break down or something, because you can now hear them up in the sky. I know YouTube won't like that. They're gonna hide it. Yeah, just keep hiding my stuff, YouTube. Keep hiding me.